Hi guys, and welcome back to AW Smart Repairs and Black Stag Styling. Thanks for checking out our next video. This one's going to be a bit of hydro dipping. We have already done a hydro dipping video. Check that out on our page, on our YouTube page. So with this one, we've got a manifold that we've got to be prepped. It's going to be painted black in our heat-resistant paint. Then it'll be prepped, coloured in the required colour, and hydro dipped in our dark carbon. So that's that bit. Air intake, this bit's going to be done the same principle with it, so stay tuned to follow that as we go along. Don't forget to check out our links below, of course our Facebook and Instagram pages as well. Stay tuned for more, like and subscribe of course. Lovely jubbly! Woohoo! Hello Adam.
Hello Alex.
Looks like you're doing a little bit of prep work there, mate.
A little bit of prep work, mate. Get my hands dirty. Well, I would be getting my hands dirty and then the old gloves on, you know.
Yeah, it's best to get your special gloves on.
You've got to glove up, be safe, haven't you? Thin, isn't it?
Right.
Any risks.
Most definitely. Most definitely.
Yeah, so yeah, doing a prep up and we're doing a primer, a heat resistant primer.
Yep.
Yeah, it'll be well on its way.
Excellent job. And we're ready to do a bit of the hydro dipping, mate.
Oh, mate. Living the dream. Living the dream.
Superb, pal. Superb. We'll check back in with you later, Adam.
Oh, mate, looking forward to it.
Boom!
Boom!
Hello, James.
Hello. So you probably want to know what I'm doing here, don't you?
I'd love to know what you're doing in here.
I'm priming these bits.
Are you priming them ready to do?
I'm priming these bits because Adam's been blaring on about me doing it all day.
Good for you, pal.
Primer, ready to put the grey on, ready to be hydrogen in carbon as far as I'm aware to the best of my knowledge.
That sounds like a plan, but lovely jubbly. Carry on, pal, you know. Prep up ready for paint, eh, James?
Yeah,
Is this a black epoxy? Black primer? Black paint? Anything black about it?
There's white.
Oh, it's alright then.
Caliper paint. Heat resistant caliper paint.
Ah, yeah. Oh, I should have known that, didn't I, really?
You're not really. Do yourself a boss.
Only when it suits, mate, you know?
Don't wear suits, mate.
Get dirty. Get real dirty. There you go, we're using a bit of heat resistant caliper paint. Well, heat resistant black paint.
Bet you edit out all of it when you said it wrong. Yeah, this is what it is, this is what I'm on here.
cast all of that out and grey the rest, won't you?
Yeah.
Ready, that'll be the base colour for the carbon.
Yeah.
Excellent. Very good.
You got it, pal.
Here we go in the old booth. The bits are all masked up. Well, the manifold section's all masked up, so we can do the rest of it. And the grey will be the base colour, so we can hydrodip over the top of that, which will give the dark carbon effect. Here we go. Here is young James to get it all ready and painted. Right, the parts are now all in grey, ready to go to be hydro-dipped in the dark carbon. And we'll hand that over to Adam in a moment. Look at them legs there. Woohoo! Hand that over to Ad to do a bit of hydro-dipping in his Black Stag gear.
This is the RB26.
Oh, mate.
The next model from the RB25.
And the one before the 27.
Yeah, you know.
Lovely jubbly. Woohoo! Cheers, pal.
Right. I'll do that again. So I'm in the booth with the hydrogen bits. I'm going around with the gun, with the fan turned right down on the spot, just to do any little touch-ins on any imperfections in the film, and then I'm going to clear coat them all.
Lovely job. Thank you, pal.
dip bits have now been touched in with the black faded into the carbon, and we're now going to lacquer them.
Lovely times!
Lovely times!
Okay, so we're now with the finished hydro-dipped trims for the Skyline, all done in the dark carbon. Just give you a little close-up of these, they look really cool now. All ready to go back on the gentleman's car.